We are Sean and Pia, vanlifing with our 2 dogs. We're in Utah and we only have a few days without a solid plan. Join us on our journey as we figure out where to stay for the night and how we find our spot. Please like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Good morning, everyone, from just north of Lake Havasu, Arizona. We crossed over to Arizona last night. It's like 90 degrees today here in Arizona, so it was a little toasty last night. But we found this really peaceful and safe BLM spot just north of Havasu, slightly off of Highway 40. It's got some cool rock formations behind me and just kind of a sand area. You can see that there's fire pits and lots of space between all the vehicles. There's some space over there too where a couple people are camped, so there were not really any noise. Everybody was super quiet, so pretty nice spot to stay for the night. And we are moving on a little bit further down the road today. I want to tell you a little bit more about that. So Miss Honeybee is ready to do her morning business. We already got up a little bit earlier to let them get going, but we're gonna get one more little round here and hit the road. This is going to be a bit of a new series of us going back to Utah, and we are going to head north now and try to explore some cool new spots. We did go to Zion last year and that was super fun. So now we're gonna head a little bit more into the eastern and central parts of Utah that we have never visited before. So follow along with us. Yep, Mexican Hat and Valley of the Gods.
So we are looking for our campsite for the night. We are just staying at BLM. BLM is Bureau of Land Management. So basically it's like a free site that you camp at. Some sites I think require you to pay like a small fee or maybe like around $10 or so. So I have Han Solo with me. Oh wow, look at that. What was that? It's our first time
Moab.
Here at Moab and we're really excited, and we are only here for a couple of days, so not too long, so we don't have much time to really go and see different places, but we will come back here. And it's currently 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's about 73 degrees, so it's really good temperature. We spent the night in Arizona last night and it was actually super warm inside our van. We had the AC on, so that helped a little bit, but because the AC takes up a lot of power, we set the temperature to around 78 degrees and just relied on the fan's open window to help cool the van. But otherwise it was pleasant, and so we're excited to be here. I think it's going to be a little bit cooler during the night.
So this is the famous Forrest Gump Hill, right down against all those beautiful rock formations. Very cool. Monticello, Valley of the Gods. There's some people already there. So we're gonna try to look a little bit further before turning back. And there were some decent spots that we passed already. How's it handling, Pia? Chihuahuas are getting a little rattled. Spots taken up here. That's a nice one too. The road here in a lot of spots is really flat and not washboardy much at all. There's a couple rocky spots and a couple washouts so far, but pretty good. Here's a couple vans coming up. Again, this is the Valley of the Gods loop. That's a nice big spot. You could definitely fit a number of vans in there. And we're gonna see what's around the bend here. There's a couple more spots. We're hopeful to get one that's a little bit further off of this road, because we think people do come in here at night. Well, here's some spots. Oh yeah, that's wrong. This one's open though. Should we grab that?
Kind of close to that.
Okay, you want to go a little bit further? We can always come back for that one. Think we found a potential spot. Just gonna go down this little off-road, and we got a nice spot to fly the drone, which I like. A big wide open area here. Good job, Pia. Yep, just take it slow. A nice flat spot down here. Perfect. I think if we aim out that way, right? So just follow the circle. Like it. Yeah, there's a little fire pit. So I just aim it, just point the van that direction. There we go.
Are we level?
Yeah, pretty level. Good job, Pia. High five.
High five.
So we have found a spot slightly near where we want it to be, and it looks like it's the beginning of quite a few other spots down here. So if somebody wanted to get past us, they could, but wow, what a view. So the main road of Valley of the Gods is just up this little embankment, and I mean, we can't sneeze at this spot. There's a little gulch down here. There's some beautiful rock formations we're between. Got those clouds. Got that, and then we got a view of the whole valley. I think the main road is right over there. A couple of vans down there, but I don't think we can beat this one, and it's definitely a open spot because I have a fire pit, although fires are not allowed right now. Wow, beautiful.